everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing another sort your life out episode because my life is so far from being sorted out. So very far, so far. So today I thought what I would do is split this video into two because I want to do a little like talk about how I'm doing and like what I'm not doing very well at. There are a fair few things, and some things that I've noticed have changed through this process with my life and how I think about things and objects and stuff like that. And then also the second half, I've been kind of inspired again to declutter, but I kind of want to do it a different way just to switch things up. So I thought I would challenge myself to get rid of 100 items from my house. So for the first few minutes I just kind of want to reflect a little bit about how this journey is going, because it is a journey and I have been taking you guys through step by step, and that means showing you everything even when I kind of suck at doing it, to be honest, rather than just showing you like the whole thing right at the very end when my life is pristine and perfect, because that's kind of boring, let's be honest. So I wanted to talk about what I haven't been doing very well with first and then spin it into a positive thing. So the first thing I think I didn't do very well at was my last video. I don't think I decluttered enough at all. I look back on the footage and I look back on the comments and I'm like, I got rid of very little. At the time I thought I did, but I really didn't. And in all honesty, being brutally honest with you guys, I've been going through quite a few things in life at the moment. Life has handed me many lemons. So many lemons. And I think over the few days when I was doing it, I was so like out of the loop. I couldn't really concentrate on what I was doing, and I'd put stuff back in boxes that I didn't even look at, and I didn't realize I was doing it. I've gone back and I've looked at some of the stuff I kept and I'm like, why? I will talk about that later because I'm going to re-declutter that area. But yeah, I think the thing I've learned from this is to not rush this process, and if you are having a bad day or a bad week, maybe take a break. Maybe wait until you are feeling a bit more motivated, because what's the point in putting all the effort in and then only getting half the results? But also I feel really motivated to do better, because a lot of you guys are saying like, Hermione, you have too much stuff. Why do you have too much stuff? I do have too much stuff. I have way too much stuff. I really don't know how it got this bad. It got so bad when I was moving because I wasn't in a position where I could declutter before I moved. And I was just like, I'll do it afterwards, which is the position we're in now. I don't want to give you guys the wrong idea. I'm not gonna cut everything down and have like 3 makeup products and a bowl and a spoon. I really am inspired by minimalists, and I think what they do is amazing, but I don't think I'm destined to be a minimalist, but I also don't want to be a maximalist. I want to be comfortably in the middle, and I'm sure a lot of you guys feel the same, so hopefully you can understand me on that one. But yeah, I've been struggling. Last week just wasn't great. However, I'm going to try and turn it around this week with my 100 items. Quickly, I want to tell you what I have noticed a difference with, because I really have been feeling good since doing this process. The first thing is my spending habits have drastically changed. I stopped going to the charity shops all the time back in December. I think I've been once in the last 2 months, and I'm very picky when I buy things now. I don't buy things I don't need. One thing that I've noticed that's really helpful is I keep a list on my phone of things that I need. Like I need a pair of black boots. I kind of need, what else did I need? New screwdrivers, that's on my list. And I've got like a short running list of things that I don't need right now, but if I see them, I'll buy them. So when I do want to go to the charity shops, at least I'll have some guidance on what I actually should be buying versus what I don't need. I went into H&M the other day to buy socks, and guess what I came out with? Just socks. I am so proud of myself. I know that sounds silly, but I really do feel like I am changing my mentality about buying stuff and consumerism and not hoarding stuff I don't need, because why, really, at the end of the day? If you haven't started a decluttering journey and you want to, hopefully those are a couple of reasons that might spark your interest and might kind of entice you to do it along with me. And if you've already decluttered and you're a very minimal person, thumbs up to you, because I am very impressed and I aspire to be like that. But yeah, I think I have reflected enough for this week. I want to pop back in and reflect once in a while, but I don't want to bore you guys too much. So it is time now. This is what I'm scared about. We're gonna go around the house and I'm gonna pick out 100 items from different rooms. Do you want to come with me? I suppose so. If you're still watching, come with me. Let's go. By the way, if you guys noticed something, the door's back on the hinges. I can't tell you how happy I am about this. It doesn't really work very well, but I'm happy. I still don't have a handle, but yes. Right, I'm back in the bathroom where I did a terrible job of decluttering last week. And the other night I pulled out a bunch of stuff from my cabinets. I'm sorry I didn't film it, but I will show you guys how much I pulled out and I'll count it and that will go towards the 100 things. So this box is absolutely full to the brim of the things I decided I didn't need the other night. It's a lot of stuff and a lot of like small travel products and things. This is my flannel basket for when I cleanse my skin, and I've got some small hand towels in there. However, it was full to the top. I didn't declutter that. Nobody in their right mind needs this many flannels as it is. So I picked out all the rubbish ones or the ones that don't match with the bathroom, and I could get rid of them or I could repurpose them as rags in the kitchen. So we have 7 flannels, 26 beauty products, and then 3 loofah-y spongy things. Sorry about the artistic lighting here. I'm in a very weird corner of my hallway that I hate because it looks like this. Dun, 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 dun. This is the boiler cabinet. These things were all piled up and I removed one thing and they fell down. So I'm gonna have a quick look through here and pull some stuff out. The first thing I can see is these. This is a U-bank that I don't use. Needs a dust. Look at that dust. I am horrified. I am offended. That's a box of tiles for the bathroom. Come to the pile. This, I hate this so much. Can't believe I have this. This is powder from sanding the floors because apparently if you mix it with some kind of resin, you can put it beneath the cracks and it will fill the cracks. I am not going to keep that. I'm not ever going to bother doing that, so there we go. This is a bag of plaster. Oh, I hate this. I'm going to take that to the kitchen. That's handy. Oh, hold on. I think it needs a bit more than that, but this is a lint brush. I think that can go. Glasses case. Oh my god. I used to wear these when I was like 16. Oh. Why do 16-year-olds nowadays not look this awkward? That's just so unfair. But I think I can get rid of those. And the case they came in. This is the sander that doesn't work, so I think that can go. A bag. I'm gonna get rid of these bags of plaster, but they're heavy, so I'm gonna do that off camera. There's an old balloon on the floor. Why? I hate this so much. This is looking a lot better considering it's a junk cabinet. Now that this is empty enough, I have a space to put Henrietta the Hoover, which is nice because she's just been floating around the house for a while. And this is everything I'm getting rid of, less that thing because I'm going to use that. And I'm going to get rid of the fire extinguisher because it's out of date, which brings us to 50 items. Yes, we're halfway there, baby. Okay, so this is a stair basket and I've just emptied it and it's full of junk. Why? It's all junk. There's a mothball in here. Okay, just like chalkboard paint. A lock, an earring. A lot of this stuff is stuff that was supposed to come up to my office and then I was going to put it in the right place. So I'm gonna do that now, and if I find anything that needs to go in the bin, I'll show you. And this is what I'm getting rid of. Washi tape and a bowl. And then for the bin, a lone sock, some empty packets of paracetamol, and a giant nail. So that's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. And now, ta-da! Now that we're almost halfway through, I decided to take 2 boxes that I haven't yet unpacked. These were from my nan's house and I don't know what's in them, so this could be really fun. So I'm looking through this box and I found some really useful craft supplies. I've also found some very strange things. this. One of my closest friends and I used to live together when we were in university. So this used to be on our fridge in our house. And I don't know, I just can't get rid of it. There's something that makes me laugh every time I see this. So it's a good memory. I'm going to allow myself to keep this. I also found a box of old jewellery, and at the bottom is my wisdom tooth in a bag. Oh, I need those. Sewing machine needles. Oh, can you believe I used to wear this all the time? Right, those days are over. Let me show you what I managed to get rid of from those boxes. First of all, this is what I've kept. This is one box and it's about 2/3 full of just fabric and stuff for crafting. I will go through my craft supplies in a separate video, but that's gonna be the worst one. So I'm gonna save that until I've kind of redeemed myself, so you guys don't judge me too much because I have too many craft supplies. But this is what I got rid of. This pile is full of clothes, fabric scraps, things I was gonna DIY, and just general stuff. So let me count this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Start a new pile. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 8, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, that can go in the bin, 37. I am 8 items short. I gotta keep going. I know I said I wasn't gonna do my craft supplies, but I'm desperate to get these last 8 items. So I'm going to peek in these drawers and see if there's anything I can take out. Oh dear. Get rid of those. 1. This is a bag of driftwood. Oh my god. Oh, I hate myself for keeping this. That can go in the bin. This is a box that smells very strongly of incense, so I don't want to keep that. I don't want this bag of gems. 4. Oh no. I'm never gonna make pineapple anything. There we go. Don't want those, and I'm going to count those as 2. Hold on. That's been sat on my desk for a while. I'm gonna count it. Boom, rubbish pile. Yeah, it counts. That's been there for like a week. That, my friends, is 100 items decluttered, and I'm feeling pretty good. I'm gonna put them all together, show you what it looks like, and yeah. Yes, look at all this stuff. I'm gonna add it to the pile. So I've put all the stuff that I'm getting rid of together and I'm gonna show you guys, but everything since this journey I have been collecting in my dining room. I was gonna start taking it to the charity shop straight away, but then it kept collecting and I was like, I kind of want to see what this all looks like at the end. So I've been hoarding it in my dining room, but it will go. I'll save that reveal until the end of this process. I think I'll get rid of anything that needs to go to the dump though in the meantime, and just keep the stuff for the charity shop and do it all in one go. Let me show you what I've gotten rid of today though. This is going to the charity shop. That was today. All of these things are going to the dump and they're going to be recycled. That's going to the dump, that's going to the dump, that's going to the dump. And that's stuff from a different video. So I will save the big reveal, but this is all of the stuff I've gotten rid of for the 100 items. I am both horrifically disgusted by the sheer amount of stuff that I've managed to pull out today, but also really relieved about it at the same time. So that is everything for today's episode of Sort Your Life Out, and I feel like my life has been ever so slightly a little bit more sorted out this week. I feel positive and I'm looking forward to what I end up doing next week. I feel like progress, not perfection, is the motto, and I feel good. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know how any of your decluttering journeys are going in the comments. I'd love to hear back from you. And with all of that being said, have a great day, happy decluttering, and I'll see you next time. Bye.